FortLocks. Simply secure.
FortLocks is the mechatronic locking system from SimonsVoss, designed to meet the specific security and flexibility requirements of critical infrastructure facilities, public authorities, and companies. How does FortLocks work? Locking authorizations are managed in the software and transmitted to the FortLocks key via a programming stick, updater, or smartphone. This key is used to lock and unlock the FortLocks locking components. FortLocks is ideal for facilities with frequently changing or time-based access rights, geographically distributed systems, and specific security requirements. For example, for the healthcare sector, electricity and water utilities, corporate buildings, public authorities, the education sector, transport and logistics. The battery-free FortLocks cylinder is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The FortLocks cylinder is maintenance-free, highly secure, weatherproof. The FortLocks key is a true all-rounder that communicates with all components of the SimonsVoss product family. FortLocks, the mechatronic system for maximum security and flexibility.
FortLocks. Simply secure.